Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be making these resin insert sheets with just a printout and some sellotape. Let's get started. तो ये actually एक resin hack है to make these insert sheets जो आप resin art के ऊपर डालते हो, stickers, names, etc. So अगर कोई emergency आए and you've got like a very urgent order and you don't have time to get it done through a professional, maybe you can try this hack, and I wanted to see if this works. So let's see. So I've got two printouts, one which I've got it done from a laser printer and one in an inkjet printer. I've seen this hack done in a few videos, but nobody mentions whether you need a laser printout or an inkjet printout. Indian households mostly have inkjet printers. So if this works with an inkjet printer, that would be great. Okay, so very simple. दोनों प्रिंटआउट से हम सेम पिक्चर्स कट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, कट अ सेलो टेप टू साइज़. So make sure कि आपका जो सेलो टेप का साइज़ है that's big enough to cover the whole picture at once. Okay, so I'm starting with the ये laser printout है and I'm just covering it with the cello tape. Make sure to do this carefully. Smoothen the cello tape. कोई भी air bubbles नहीं होना चाहिए. Do the same with the inkjet printout. Once done, cut off the extra cello tape. Make sure the back is not covered with any cello tape. Okay, both the pictures are covered with the cello tape on the front. And now I'm going to take a bowl of water. ये room temperature water है. And this is the inkjet one. Let's put it in the water and as you can see, the color is bleeding. So it's not working on the inkjet printout. Oh, it's everything is bleeding. The color is bleeding. Okay. So that's a fail. Next, let's try out the laser printout. Once again, put it in the water. Make sure that the paper at the back is very wet, and then slowly remove the paper. So this took quite a while, but as you can clearly see, it's just the paper that is coming off and not the color. So clearly this works. This is a confirmation. ये वाला hack काम करेगा when your print is from a laser printout. Okay, you have to make sure कि आपका जो printout है वो एक laser printer से है, not from an inkjet printer. Let's place this sticker on a resin art and see how it looks. तो before you place the sticker, make sure कि आप इसको अच्छी तरह से dry करें कि resin and water are not friends. So I'm drying this on both sides with the dry cloth. मैंने इसका base already ready कर दिया है. Yesterday I mixed some resin with white mica powder and put it in a round mold. It's been 24 hours and cured really well. Now I'm going to place the sticker carefully on the base. Press it nicely. And then mix some clear resin and hardener and pour it all over the sticker. Allow the resin to cure for 24 hours and we'll demold it tomorrow. It's been 24 hours. Let's demold. There you go. So there's no dullage or image has not disappeared. So this hack does work. Okay, so would you use this hack? Like as a serious resin artist who might be doing this for a living, आपके पास cricket machine या फिर access to someone who does this in bulk for you, I think will be available. But if you don't have access to these machines, or maybe someday there's an emergency and you don't have those people around, then yes, and you just want to do 1 or 2 names, तो आप पैसा तो नहीं खर्च करना चाहोगे. So this is very cost effective in that case. All you have to do though is get a printout from a laser printer. Okay, this works only if the printout is with a laser printer. Inkjet printer में ये काम नहीं करेगा. Keep that in mind. Final outcome after the resin is cured. So maybe a slight loss of color. तो आप वो पेपर निकालने के लिए you're rubbing it off maybe a bit too aggressively, तो थोड़ा बहुत तो color loss है इसमें, but still okay. So what do you think? Will you try this hack? Or have you already tried this hack? How did it go for you? Do let me know in the comments down below. अगर और कोई resin hack है which you would like me to try, do let me know about that too. Thank you so much for watching. Do give this video a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in the next one.